Welcome to the 1 Minute Photography. In this video I will show you how to edit indoor photos in Lightroom. Subscribe our channel to watch daily preset and get free every preset we upload. So let's start editing. First go to the basics. Tint -20. Bring exposure to -0.80. Contrast +30. +14 to highlights. And shadows -20. -15 to whites. Blacks +30. Next go to the presence. +12 to clarity. And dehaze -5. Bring vibrance to +65. And saturations to +20. Next go to the curve and follow these steps. Then go to the color mix and first go to the red. And bring hue to +25. Saturations +5. And luminance +25. Next go to the orange. Hue -25. Saturations -30. And +25 to luminance. Then go to the yellow. Hue -2. -60 to saturations. And +20 to luminance. Next go to the green. Hue +45. Saturations -80. And luminance +50. Then go to the aqua. Hue +25. Saturations -50. And +60 to luminance. Then go to the blue. Hue +20. And luminance -10. Next go to the purple. Hue +15. +5 to saturations. Hue -25. Finally go to the magenta. Hue +15. +5 to saturations. And luminance +20. Next go to the color grading tool. For shadows bring hue 265. And saturations to 10. And for highlights hue 240. and +15 to saturations. And bring both blending and balance to 100. Next go to the details and bring sharpening to 20. Next bring luminance and color noise reduction to 20. Finally go to the effects. And bring vignette to -20. Midpoint 15. And roundness to 75. And now your preset is ready. Save the setting as a preset, then you can apply this preset to other photos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video.